Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a channel I'm gonna started, and this is the SKIL 1340AA. Here we have it at the Skills homepage. If you want me to do a review of it and some testing of it and unboxing, please subscribe. Here are some of the specs of it. It's quite popular, so if you look at the reviews and things like that. But I'm going to do my own, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe. And who am I? I'm just an ordinary man, 41 years old, and yes, that's all for now. Thank you.